Madam Origin, thank you very much, ma, for calling in. Good evening to you. Please talk to us.
Hello, my people. This is your favorite cheerleader, Madam Origin, talking to my people. I have specific people I speak to on this platform. I know there are so many. Our wonderful panelists, they do due diligence. They are dedicated and they are doing what, rare. What you guys are doing is rare. Being a voice, lending your knowledge, time, voice to the voiceless, representing the voiceless part of Nigeria. I greet everyone. Mr. NAIJA, you will never lose your reward. Thank you for holding this candlelight. Thank you for all you do. Your energy and consistency will never go unrewarded. I greet all well-meaning Nigerians, obedient nation, all the citizens, journalists. I greet everyone. As I do talk to my people, the core, the brave, the few, the faithful, because right now, as much as we have so much, I call it 1,000 cuts on Nigeria as a people. You don't even know which one to take. So much overwhelming to the people of Nigeria. I still want to focus on my people, the brave, the few, the core. And I tell you, let me tell you how you know you are in this group. If you wake up in this every morning, or you are in a place where you know there is evil in the land, and you're nauseated about it, it makes you angry, it makes you want to do something, but even when you don't know what to do, I think you're in this group. And I tell you, me too, I don't know what to do, but I have faith. I believe one day this quagmire will come to an end. We have the ones that are glossing over it, the ones that have eaten on the tables of evil, and they are talking from two sides of their mouths. The pastors, the imams, the traditional leaders, aka elders in one bucket, including, there is this new group, they are popping up all over the place. The pseudo opposition, the coalitions, whatever they call themselves, they are popping up all over the place. Keep confusing Nigerians. I tell you, my core group, keep up your head. You see, the 27 lawmakers, it doesn't matter whether they are answering PDP, APC, QYZ. It is the same people, the same criminals, doing the same thing over and over again. They have lied to us. They lured Nigerians into believing that, we have a nation. They lured us into believing there is executive, when in truth, aka president, they were presidents to themselves. They are legislators and legislatures to themselves. Nothing in their agenda is for any Nigerian. They keep lying. When they lure us, we begin to defend them because they lured us. If they have put like a gunpoint and say, this is what we want you to do, okay, if you don't do it, which they have done at every level. But that luring, when Nigerians trusted them. But thank God, today we have a man that rose up. We have few men that have risen up, are opening the eyes of the people. I tell you, Mr. NAIJA, don't give up, keep holding this candle. We keep speaking, we keep teaching Nigerians, we keep speaking to ourselves, trying to make ourselves debunk and to remove all this psychology they have played on us, making us believe they had agenda. Look at a display of dishonesty, display of disgust. We get dancing. He could have. I mean, there are some words, Mr. NAIJA, what you don't want us to use, but there is this people. They make you just want to throw up. Look at a man that called himself whatever he calls it, dancing, fooling himself around, dancing like a clown in another person's office. It's a shame. It's a shame. 27 lawmakers. Look at them. Defecting from where to where? That is the question you should ask them. Defecting from where to where? They never moved. They are at the same place where they were 63 years ago. They are still in that same place, doing the same thing, deceiving Nigerians. I know there are gullible Nigerians, that's why I don't even waste time on them, because they have been brainwashed too long, educated too long. Some of them are intellectuals with their brains have been frozen. Let me give you an example. A man, a full-grown, fledged intellectual that had a job, well-positioned, the only good position that he had, well paid, was to go against someone that never even had an idea. She was helping him. Oh, you are going towards my way. Don't worry, I'll be dropping you. What is the need? You spending money. I'll be dropping you, not knowing that is a spy sent to her to destroy her, because they want to find out. At the end of the day, that man. So when you talk about these gullible Nigerians, I don't even want to think about them, because once you eat at the devil's table, you sell your soul for a morsel of bread. And there is one I'm going to talk to NJ Media and Electricity. You people are disgrace and disgust. Let Mr. Peter Obi alone. Go and talk about, there is so much to talk about your principle. The sellout, Sabo, this NJ has become, why would you hand over your media table to someone in pretense? Everyone should be ashamed. I speak in parables, I know what I'm talking. And I think I will end it there. Thank you, Mr. NAIJA Watch. God will always continue to bless you. Stand on what is right. Don't let anybody make you believe you're not doing what you're doing. A lot of them don't have the guts. They don't have the willpower to do good. They only run around chasing morsels of bread.
Thank you so much.
Only lasts for a minute. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
God bless you too, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you.